We're going to go back to pages 2 and 3.
Okay, find page 2 and 3. Alec, find page 2 and 3.
That was quick.
So it says, it is cold outside. The words cold and outside, they tell me something about the setting, right? What do they tell me about the setting? The words cold and outside. What do they tell me about the setting?
It's like very chilly outside.
It's very chilly. What might it tell me about the season?
It's winter, fall.
It could be winter or fall.
Or maybe snow's coming. No, snow coming. I don't get it.
And when you look at the picture, what do you see in the picture?
A mountain with snow on it.
A mountain with snow on it, so that could tell us something, right? What about on the lake? I see some ice on the lake.
Yeah. Winter.
So it looks like it might be winter out, right? There's some ice and some snow on the mountains, like Mason told us. It says it is cold outside. So it might be winter, or maybe it's the end of winter going into spring.
Because I don't see a lot of snow.
Yeah, there's not a lot of snow. All right, let's leave those right over here. On page 3, it talks about her eggs, right? It tells us they're warm, but do we know? Why do we think they're warm? How do we know that they're warm?
Because she sat on them.
Because she sat on them and
They're in the nest, right? And she's coming to do. And what did you say that she does with the eggs? How does she keep them warm?
Sitting on them.
Sits on them, right?
With a fuzzy tail.
With a fuzzy tail. All right, let's go to page 4 and 5. Are we on page 4 and 5?
4 and 5. Oh, they're so cute. I want them.
All right, what happened to the eggs?
They hatch.
Look at the pictures and look at the words. What happened to the eggs?
They hatch.
They hatched. How can you tell?
They're out.
we see the chicks.
You see the chicks
They're
now.
out.
And how can you tell that the setting's changed?
Because we don't see the eggs, we see the ducks.
The setting, though. What's the setting? The setting tells us where we are in the story, right? Whether it's spring or winter, if they're outside or inside.
Spring now because, look, there's no more snow, no more ice.
There's no more snow and no more ice.
Do you see
Alex, do you see that? Do you see any snow or ice on your pages anymore?
Do you see ice?
You set this over here so we're focused on our story. Your turkey can watch you, okay?
Ice?
All right.
Look at this picture.
Do you see any more snow and ice? What season do you think we're in now? If we were just thinking maybe it was winter, right? On the page before, because it says snow and ice. What comes after winter?
7.
Before summer.
Fall.
That's before winter. You want to? Spring. All right, let's flip to the next page. 6 and 7. We're actually going to, the question I'm going to ask is going to be about 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you might have to flip between the pages to answer it, okay?
My cookies are
All right, why is a brother duck worried? And worried was one of our vocabulary words that was highlighted. So what do we think? Can we go over what worried means again? What does worried mean, Alexia? Alexia is answering.
Worried that he's worried that cold is going to come and it's going to hit the bird.
The cold's going to come and it's going to hit the birds. What does worried mean, though?
He has small wings and he thinks he can't fly with small wings.
Right, he can't fly yet.
It's worried if you go on the Long Island to the ferry. You're worried.
You're worried?
Yeah.
What makes you worried, though? What are you worrying about?
Can't say someone who know you don't know.
Maybe worried means a little bit like nervous, right? You're a little nervous.
Yeah, about like something you did or you want to do or you want to go for.
Right, and Alec, did you hear why Alexia told us that Brother Duck was worried? What'd she say?
I know why he's worried.
You didn't hear her? Well, look in the book. Can you tell me why he's worried? Carmen, can you find the book in the book where it tells us where Brother Duck is worried and what he's worried about?
What was he worried about? You just told Mrs. King. What's he worried about?
Can't fly.
He can't fly. And why can't he fly, huh?
Because he has very small wings.
Because he has very small wings.
Like this small.
All right, let's flip the page. The last 2 pages, 10 and 11.
I know why he was worried because if he
Are you looking at pages 10 and 11?
and if he flew, he was worried that
Yeah, he could fly. Because actually a strong wing.
He would fall in the water, right? And if it was,
I know what you fly now.
hold on, let's see. On pages 10 and 11, how did Brother Duck change? What did he, Jeremiah, how did he change?
He could fly because he has strong wings.
He has strong wings. And where does the picture tell you that? Or the words? Or both?
The words. And
What's the picture show, Mason?
just the duck flying.
Your Brother Duck is proud that he can fly, right?
Carmine,
Carmine,
turn around.
what's Brother Duck doing on this page, on these pages? He's flying fast. His wings grew, right? Yes, Alexia.
But actually
He believes in himself now, right? And it says, what's the first sentence on page 10 say, Jeremiah? What's the first sentence right here say?
it will soon be cold as ice outside. Brother Duck is proud.
Brother Duck is proud. It's soon going to be cold again. Do you know what birds do when they get cold?
They
What do they do?
hibernate.
They don't quite hibernate.
Wait, they go into a tree and they.
Do they stay someplace where it's cold, or do they try and go somewhere what?
They go somewhere else. They go to Florida or South.
They go somewhere warmer, right? And that's why they need their wings. That's why he was so worried.
They go somewhere really, really, really,
Where do
really
birds go
hot.
in the wintertime?
Wet.
You know how I know
Wet.
that
So,
they
the Wild
went
West. Yeah, Wild West. It's been out.
Crazy, crazy.
and I always have been to Florida, but I haven't been to Africa.
Alex,
Disney
Well, we did learn about Africa, right?
Alex wants to tell you something.
Okay.
He told me about Africa.
Yeah, we talked about it in here last week, right? When we talked about Wongar. Yes, Alec. What would you like to show?
I was gonna say something, but Alexia knew where I was, so that's what I wanted to do.
not where they live. What is it called when they fly south?
Migrating.
Migrating.
Florida.
Nice
Or
vocabulary.
they go down south.
So I have one more question for you guys, and then you're gonna switch over to independent reading, okay? How does nature affect when we move and change? We kind of just talked about it with ducks, but how does nature affect what we just talked about it? Why were the birds leaving? Carmine, how does nature affect it? Hold on, Carmine's gonna give us an answer, Zach. Okay?
Why were the birds leaving, bud? What was the weather like?
Are we listening to Carmine?
What was the weather like?
Jeremiah, let's look at Carmine. Give him our attention,
It's
miss.
cold. Do they want to stay where it's cold? No. Where do they want to go? They're already in the cold. Where do they want to go? Oh, it's cool outside, but they want to go somewhere where it's warm.
That's why they leaving. That's why he was proud that he could fly, right? So he could get somewhere warm. All right, guys, you can go grab your